This is my reflection about the terrorism and war. A war, in the common definition, is a struggle between political organizations that involves long-term and large-scale fighting. It is also a well-organized and armed battle between states, nations, or other parties characterized by excessive violence, social disruption, and in most cases, high death. War is a type of political violence that is described as an actual, intentional, and widespread armed conflict between political communities, while the terrorism is an act of violence meant to instill terror, which is subsequently used to achieve their objectives. Countries fight each other because of the territorial and resource competition, historical rivalries and grudges, and self-defense against an invader or a potential aggressor. Terrorism affects human rights in both direct and indirect ways. Also, the terrorism has become a huge threat to the human rights around the world that has gotten increasingly pervasive and systematic. Terrorism demonstrates that, unlike other forms of crime, it has both political and social motivation. The goal of a terrorist attack is to terrify a larger audience than immediate victims. The acts of a war or terrorism also test the human rights framework to the point that it appears to the breaking down. Every human rights also look to be harmed during the times of war, particularly long-term battles. Home, work, food and water supplies, the legal system, press freedom, and free expression are all affected because of this war. There is also a way to stop or to prevent this war, which is that people must rise up and demand that their government uphold their constitution and stop in sponsoring wars and find a route of peace. Another is to impeach any elected official who advocate or encourage illegal activities, because it is the obligation of citizens in democracies to exercise control over their leaders who threaten to commit crimes under the international law, and also impeachment is a powerful tool for doing so. Our government should do something to stop this war because it really affects the community and our mental health, which leads to anxiety and depression.